Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions.
In this video, we are gonna see two different collection of fancy silk sarees. In which the first one you are seeing is a vibrant collection of fancy silk sarees in very beautiful color combinations. Beautiful and unique 3D embossed designs are running throughout the body, along with a running or contrast simple pallu and blouse. Beautiful zari woven borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. And for weaving, we have used golden, copper and silver zaris. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. The stocks are limited, so grab your order soon. Also please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. We will be giving reply for every enquiries maximum within 12 hours. And also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. And moving to the next collection is a most trendy, fancy, borderless soft silk sarees. The sarees are coming in half and top model. In the below half portion, beautiful peacock and elephant buttas are symmetrically arranged. Also, this collection is having a rich pallu and a running blouse. The material is very soft and comfortable to wear. And about the maintenance, all these collections can be carefully hand washed at home. And this beautiful borderless collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. As we told previously, the shipping charges for other states are from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.